Hey guys, so when I went to Universal Studios, it was for the Halloween special that they put on, and I picked up two interactive talking Chucky buckets. So the first one, you've just got the original Chucky. The detail on this guy is pretty cool. And then you have Scarred Up Chucky. Now, both of these have three different phrases, and to activate them, you just say, "Hey Chucky." So I'll turn this one on. Comes with its own lanyard, so you got the Chucky lanyard with the blood splatter. Hey Chucky.
Hey, you wanna play?
Hi Chucky.
I like to be hugged.
Hey Chucky.
Playtime's over.
So that's the first one.
Hey, you wanna play?
Let's turn that one off. And then for this one, it's the same. We've got the switch at the back. Hey Chucky.
From now on, no more Mr. Good Guy.
Hey Chucky.
Alright, kid. Fun's over.
Hey Chucky.
Sorry, kid, you got me. I'm bad.
So that's my Universal Chucky
From now on,
popcorn
no
buckets.